Welcome back, curious minds. The AI coding agent space is moving fast, and I mean fast. This month alone, we've seen new releases, pricing shifts, and at least one tool that went viral on GitHub seemingly overnight. Today, I'm rounding up 5 coding agents worth your attention right now. We'll go through them quickly with what each one does, what makes it interesting, and who it's best for. Let's dive in. Number 1, DeepSeek-TUI. This one came out of nowhere and hit 23,000 GitHub stars in days. Built by an independent US developer, a law student, not a programmer by trade, DeepSeek-TUI gives you a full-featured AI coding agent directly in your terminal. It runs on DeepSeek V4 with a 1,000,000 token context window baked in. The interface is simple. You get 3 modes: plan mode for read-only exploration, agent mode for AI actions gated behind your approval, and YOLO mode, yes, they really called it that, for fully autonomous operation, file operations, shell commands, Git, web search, MCP servers, and up to 16 parallel subagents for tackling complex tasks simultaneously. It supports Rust Analyzer, Pyrite, TypeScript language server, GoPLs, and clanged out of the box. Install it with npm i-g DeepSeek-TUI. MIT licensed, runs on Linux, macOS, and Windows. Best for developers who want a powerful, lightweight coding agent with no subscription fees. Number 2, Freebuff, also known as CodebuffAI. Here's the pitch. Free AI coding agent, powered by GLM 5.1, with autonomous subagents and 0 setup. It includes access to DeepSeek V4 Pro, Kimi K2.6, and MiniMax M2.7 at no cost. What makes this interesting is the model stacking. You get multiple frontier models under one roof, selectable per task. The 0 setup angle means you can start coding without configuring anything. And as a bonus, Freebuff is positioning itself as a fully free alternative to Claude Code. Best for developers who want to experiment with multiple models without paying for API access. Number 3, Hermes Agent from Nous Research. Hermes is a self-evolving agent. That sounds like marketing, but here's what it actually means. It has persistent long-term memory across sessions. It can create and improve its own skills. And it runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, improving while you sleep. The key differentiator is the closed learning loops. Unlike agents that reset between sessions, Hermes remembers what it learned and applies it going forward. It also supports multi-agent orchestration, so you can coordinate multiple instances. MIT licensed desktop app available, and it's already being compared directly to OpenClaw in the community. If you're watching the self-improving agent space, this is one to track. Best for developers and enthusiasts who want a hands-off agent that gets smarter over time. Number 4, Claude Code from Anthropic. Claude Code just got a significant upgrade. The desktop redesign brings remote control and scheduled tasks, meaning you can set up jobs to run when you're not at your desk. They've also added connectors for Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook, so it can interact with your full Microsoft workflow, not just code. More importantly, rate limits have doubled, thanks to the SpaceX Colossus One compute partnership. If you've been hitting limits before, this is a meaningful improvement. A quick note. There was some community noise around the Hermes.MD billing model, but the core Claude Code product is solid and widely used. Still worth including on any coding agent roundup. Best for developers already in the Anthropic ecosystem who want expanded desktop capabilities. Number 5, Google Remy. Google's 24/7 agent is connecting Gmail, Docs, Calendar, Drive, and Search into a unified AI assistant. It's positioned as an OpenClaw killer in some coverage, which may be overstating it, but the integration depth is real. If you're living in the Google workspace, Remy is designed to be the agent that knows your calendar, your emails, your documents, and your search history. Currently in testing, release timeline not confirmed, but the direction is clear. Google is building an agent that understands your full digital life, not just your code. Best for Google Workspace users who want an agent that lives alongside their existing tools. 5 agents. DeepSeek-TUI for open source terminal power. Freebuff for free multi-model access. Hermes Agent for self-improvement. Claude Code for enterprise depth. Google Remy for Google ecosystem integration. The coding agent landscape is genuinely competitive right now. Every month, the bar gets higher and the options get broader. My advice? Pick the one that fits your workflow today, but keep an ear perked. The updates come fast. If you found this useful, give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the